Welcome back to Market Matters Media, where we uncover the strategies and insights that matter most in the world of finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's timely and crucial: the art of building wealth during economic downturns. So grab your notepad, buckle up, and let's explore this once-in-a-decade opportunity together. Now, more than ever, it's vital for people like you and me to seize the moment. Economic downturns, despite their negative connotations, often unveil hidden opportunities for those astute enough to recognize them. Stick around as we unravel the rationale behind this assertion and explore the roadmap to securing your financial future. Take a look at this chart. It reveals a pattern that has stood the test of time. Every economic recession or stock market crash is followed by a robust recovery, often doubling prices within just 1 to 2 years. But how can you make the most of this seemingly dire economic condition? The perspective we're sharing today isn't just our own. It's echoed by investment mogul Warren Buffett, who famously stated that bad news is an investor's best friend. The wisdom imparted by Warren Buffett is not just anecdotal, it's backed by historical evidence. For instance, during the financial crisis of 2008, while the market plummeted, savvy investors who followed Buffett's advice reaped significant benefits. The S&P 500, which dropped by approximately 50% from its peak in October 2007 to its trough in March 2009, bounced back remarkably in the following years. Investors who capitalized on this downturn by purchasing undervalued stocks witnessed substantial growth in their portfolios. Furthermore, a study by JP Morgan Asset Management showed that long-term investors who remained in the market for 20 years, regardless of fluctuations, saw average returns of 7.2%. This data underscores the potential of leveraging market downturns as opportunities, aligning with Buffett's perspective. Now let's delve into the specifics of what's anticipated to transpire in the next 3 to 6 months, the advantageous prospects available today, and how to position yourself optimally for generational wealth. But before we delve deeper, if you're finding value in this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It ensures you won't miss out on future insights that could shape your financial journey. To fully appreciate the upcoming opportunities, it's crucial to understand the economic landscape. Recessions typically bring about a surge in unemployment, a reduction in wages, and a decline in consumer confidence. But as we'll discuss, these effects can set the stage for remarkable opportunities. Now let's talk about real estate. While some regions may continue to prosper, there's a consensus among experts that national housing prices may experience a decline. But don't be disheartened. Downturns can create attractive opportunities for investors, especially in vulnerable markets. Cash, often overlooked, can become a safe haven for wealth preservation during economic downturns. Billionaire Ray Dalio acknowledges this shift in perception, emphasizing that cash is no longer considered trash. It's gaining prominence in investment portfolios, providing a cushion when other assets face declines. So why could this upcoming recession be a unique wealth-building opportunity? Let's explore 5 key points that may change your perspective on economic downturns. From reduced competition to the cyclical nature of the market, there are ways to not only weather the storm but to thrive during it. Warren Buffett's analogy of a market decline being akin to a discount on stocks is particularly enlightening. And remember, a bull market often follows a bear market. So what can you do to capitalize on these opportunities? Scaling back expenses, holding cash, protecting your career, investing for the long term, and diversifying your investments are key strategies. Remember, navigating a recession may not be easy, but with prudent financial management and a focus on long-term goals, you can position yourself for success. Now let's delve deeper into each of these strategies, starting with scaling back expenses. During economic uncertainty, it's prudent to tighten your financial belt. Track your spending, cut unnecessary expenses, and maintain a lean budget. Reinvest as much as possible into the market, developing a robust plan to manage your finances in case of a significant income drop, ensuring you have a reliable buffer. In this context, consider prioritizing high-interest debt repayment to reduce overall financial strain. Regularly review and adjust your budget to adapt to changing circumstances, and seek financial advice if necessary. This approach not only conserves resources but also prepares you for potential future opportunities. Moving on to the second strategy, holding cash. While statistics often favor investing promptly, maintaining a cash reserve can offer peace of mind and the flexibility to seize investment opportunities as they arise. Having a portion of your portfolio in cash, typically around 15 to 20%, can prove beneficial during uncertain times. This strategy can also help you avoid selling investments at a loss during market downturns. Ensure that your cash reserve is easily accessible and not tied up in long-term investments. Regularly evaluate the size of your cash reserve in relation to your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. Your career is your best safeguard against financial challenges. Losing your job during a market downturn and being forced to sell investments at a low point can be a significant setback. Therefore, focus on enhancing your skills, learn new ones, and fortify your career prospects. Remember, a resilient career is a powerful asset during economic uncertainties. Networking and keeping abreast of industry trends can provide additional security. Consider pursuing certifications or additional training in your field. Always be prepared to adapt to changes in the job market, enhancing your employability. Maintaining a long-term investment perspective is our fourth strategy. Continue with your regular investment strategy as if nothing unusual is happening. Dollar cost averaging or regularly investing in the markets has historically proven to be a profitable strategy. Stay focused on your long-term goals, knowing that markets have consistently recovered in all historical instances. Avoid making hasty decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to align with your long-term objectives. Remember, patience and consistency are key components of successful long-term investing. The fifth and final strategy is diversification. Diversifying your investments is key to managing risk. If you're uncomfortable with a potential 20% portfolio drop, consider diversifying your holdings. Include a mix of assets like large-cap stocks, international stocks, real estate, or income-generating investments such as rental properties. The more diversified your portfolio, the more resilient it will be if certain assets underperform. Regularly assess and adjust your investment mix to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, diversification is not just about different types of investments, but also different sectors and geographic locations. This approach can help mitigate risks and capitalize on a broader range of opportunities. In conclusion, navigating a recession may not be easy, but with prudent financial management, a focus on long-term goals, and diversification, you can position yourself to take advantage of the opportunities that arise during economic downturns. Additionally, continuous personal and professional development can help secure your financial future, ensuring that you are prepared to weather any financial storms that may come your way. As we wrap up this insightful journey, remember that you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Like the video, subscribe for more content that empowers you on your financial journey, and share this valuable information with friends and family who may benefit from it. Your actions today can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. Thank you for joining us at Market Matters Media, where we bring you the insights that matter most. Until next time, take control of your financial future, stay informed, and remember, your market matters.